Hi everyone, Siavash here from gmitechnology, and in this video I'm going to talk about how having an AI appointment setter on your website is going to benefit your business, and how basically based on the stats that we get from Google, these get free code, book a call or just pick up a phone and call, those kind of things. It's not going to work anymore. People don't want to talk to receptionists, they don't want to pick up the phone to call someone. They just want to have a text-based messaging 24/7, being able to actually do a conversational appointment booking, queries, and those kind of things. And if your business currently doesn't have that, you're gonna lose a lot of customers to your competition that are implementing the AI chatbot. Just to give you an example, like this specific business, they're getting about like more than 1,000 organic monthly traffic. So by just putting the chat widget on their website, we can convert a lot of those traffic into a free booking. And I'm sure if we get in touch with this business and ask them how many actually free code and inquiries they're getting from this per month, it would be very, very low, because no one's, to be honest, gonna fill this up. And this is the website view. Think about if someone actually opens this up on their phone, it's gonna be really hard to put it in, and you're going to get errors like you forgot to put something and those kind of things, and people is just going to ignore and just go to the next one. So I'm just going to show you how a simple chat widget that we have can help a business like this. So for example, let's say this is a plumbing website, the chat widget comes up. The first thing is basically opening line is like, hey, if you have any emergency, just pick up the phone and call this number. Otherwise, if you want to book an appointment, just let's go ahead and do it. The first thing I'm going to ask is like, what services do you offer? So this chat is actually been trained on a specific business called Griffith Plumbing, and it's going to grab all those details from their website and put it in here. And as you can see, it always tries to drive the business goal, which is like, what is the best time to get you the free code, or like come and offer you the services. So we're going to go and say booking appointment for, let's say, Monday 12th at noon. So it's going to go and basically based on that is going to ask the questions that we needed. So first name, last name, and also let's say the name is Andrew and the last name is Jefferson. The next thing that is probably going to ask is either the service or the phone number. So there we go. So let's put some random phone number in here. As you can see, this is very easy conversational, and people love chatting and stuff like picking up the phone. So what will be the best time to contact you? To confirm the appointment, we will say any day at 2 p.m. or after that. Now the thing is, all of this information are going to in our platform, and the thing that we do, we integrate that with your business and update your business, whether Google Sheet, email, your own CRM, or you want to use our CRM, and all of these details are going to be there. You're going to get notification like this, and your team can be on that ASAP. Is there anything else I can assist you with? Nope. And that's it. As you can see, it's all done. And it's all been set, nice and easy. Now think about it, how this can improve your business within like 5 minutes of installation. That's it. This is just for plumbing services. I'm going to do more videos for different other niches and industries. So if you have any questions, just write it down below in the comment section, or just go to our website at gmitechnology.com, and you will have access to our AI chatbot, and you will be able to actually install it yourself. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.